Welcome to Genesis of MS SQL. We are looking and understanding prerequisites before we deep down on performance tuning. In any field, to understand performance tuning or troubleshooting, it's very essential to understand basic flow, how it's working. Let's talk about MS SQL perspective. From MS SQL perspective, one should understand how SQL Server executes query. That is our agenda. By seeing this video, one can understand how SQL Server executes query. Let's start first. As we as we seen in figure, as we know that end users send request to SQL Server via network protocol. Request has been divided into multiple tasks as shown in figure. Task 1, task 2, task 3, dash, 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 task 10. All that tasks depend upon request. All that tasks also reside in a task queue. From that task queue, task has been assigned to idle worker and thread with the help of scheduler by SQL OS. Scheduler is nothing but a piece of software that coordinates with worker, process, and administrate the available resource. As compared to Windows, SQL Scheduler is a different in mechanism. In Windows, scheduler uses primitive scheduling mechanism and assign quantum of CPU time to every thread, unlike SQL Server uses cooperative scheduling mechanism where thread can voluntarily yield its quantum of time. If you are a experienced DBA, you have seen sometime current running query goes to suspended state and wait type showing as SOS underscore scheduling underscore yield, which indicates it's yielding quantum of time in favor of other trades. To know status of scheduler, we have DM views. We can use that DM views to know the status of scheduler. Sys sys.dm underscore os underscore scheduler. To know the worker status, we can use sys.dm underscore os underscore worker. To know the task status, we can use sys.dm underscore os underscore task. In task execution step, parsing, compilation, optimization, and task execution occur. In parsing, it will check query syntax. If any error, it terminates task. Trade and worker become free, which can be used by SQL OS in other tasks. After parsing becomes success, if it need to compile, then it compile, else it not compile. Then it proceed with optimizer. Optimizer looks statistics, query plan. First it check is the query plan present in plan cache on buffer pool. If it present, it uses that plan. If not, optimizer generate query plan, analyze it, and select best plan on basis of cost. Query execution simply execute query plan. At time of query execution, storage engine interact with data file and try to pull data from data file. If data is not present in data cache, at that time query engine try to pull data from data file and put data into buffer by using access methods. As shown in figure, it simply it's simply visualizing the flow, how it's working. Simultaneously, it also starts providing result to end user. It does not wait for completion of task. Once it complete task, trade and worker become free. It uses it used by other tasks. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, please comment. Thank you. Please share and comment.